It is truly a pleasure to be here with you at Huawei's latest product launch event. Over the years, Huawei has continued to push the boundaries of innovation and design, and today is no different. We are proud and excited to announce a major upgrade on our flagship P series. After 12 years of iconic innovation and industry leadership, Huawei P series has transformed into Huawei Pura, a new brand that dares to explore unseen wonders with bold imagination, expands horizon through pioneering perspectives, and set fashion trends with unique style. A few weeks ago, we introduced Huawei Pura 80 Ultra and Huawei Pura 80 Pro. The Huawei Pura 80 Ultra brought us the industry's first switchable dual telephoto lens with an ultra-large image sensor, while the Pura 80 Pro is equipped with the unique Ultra Chroma camera and a powerful 1-inch sensor. The Huawei Pura 80 series is a tool that amplifies creativity across different artistic pursuits. Now, let us meet the newest star of the Pura 80 series. Ladies and gentlemen, meet the newest icon of Pura 80 series, the Huawei Pura 80. The Huawei Pura series has always been more than just technology. It stands at the intersection of high-end imaging and high fashion, where aesthetic design and original style come together to create something truly iconic. With the Pura 80 series, we continue to evolve our distinctive design language, the forward symbol. More than a motif, it's a signature, a sign of confidence, clarity, and bold creative expression. The Huawei Pura 80 embraces a minimalist modern design with clean flat lines and a frosted glass back that radiates sophistication. Available in frosted black, sleek, and mysterious. Frosted white, pure and refined. And frosted pink, vibrant and fashionable. Next, let us dive deep into photography. The Huawei Pura 80 features the unique Ultra Chroma camera, equipping the phone with a colorimeter so what you see is what you get. This is powered by a system boasting 1.5 million spectral channels and XD fusion technology. So whether it's a brilliant daylight or a challenging low light, you can still capture stunning photos with truly remarkable color accuracy and vibrant detail every time. And this is the result. This is captured by Huawei Pura 80's Ultra Chroma camera, capturing the vivid red tones and the natural skin tones in perfect harmony. Every petal, every shade, brought to life as your eyes see it. Well, if not, even better. Here's another sample. A yellow moment captured in incredible precision. From the warmth of the flower to the soft glow of her skin, the Ultra Chroma camera brings true-to-life color that radiates emotion and depth in every frame. With the periscope telephoto camera, experience versatile zoom at ultra-wide 0.5 times to detail 10 times. capture expansive landscape, or bring closer those distant subjects with you without losing clarity, takes to advanced optical stabilization and precise autofocus. In low light condition, like the sunset during Sichuan, the Pura Aegis Ultra Lighting Camera captures every vibrant detail, from the golden glow of the clouds to the deep blue of the sky. Even in the dark, Hong Kong never sleeps. It captures its vibrant skyline and the glowing harbor lights, sharp, vivid, and full of life. Every photographer begins with light and shadow. In these portraits, the Ultra Chroma XH camera of the Huawei Pure 80 captures finer detail, richer color tones, and true-to-life depth frame by frame. At Huawei, we are committed to connecting everyone through technology. XH is what we call the power of image, combining our pioneering camera innovation with distinctive photographic style. Over the past 8 years, we have been dedicated in supporting and celebrating global photographic culture through our annual XH Awards, through global exhibitions, community activities, and insightful trend reports. Last year, XH Awards received more than 650,000 entries from 86 countries and regions. These are some of the award-winning works from recent years. Extraordinary works capturing heartwarming moments created by everyday photographers from here, the Philippines. The XH Awards 2025 is now open for submission. Together, let us capture power and beauty in every moment through XH. We encourage everyone to join us by using Huawei Pura 80 series. And you may submit your entries until September 15th. Finally, let's talk about experience, because great design and powerful cameras are just the beginning. With the AI Remove tool, distractions disappear in an instant. Your images are cleaner, more focused, and ready to share. The Pura 80 series also features AI Best Expression. It scans through burst shots to select each person's best expression. When viewing the image in the gallery, you can select and choose each best expression for each person. Need to scroll a long article or capture a moment on your screen? No need to touch. Just wave or gesture. It's as magical as it sounds. And when it comes to privacy, the Huawei Pura 80 series is as thoughtful as it is intelligent. It recognizes who's looking at the screen, and it hides sensitive notification whenever an unfamiliar gaze is detected. Even your calls are clear. Two-way AI noise reduction filters background sounds and focuses on your voice, so you're always heard no matter where you are. With EMUI 15, Huawei Pure 80 series becomes more than a smartphone. It becomes an extension of you. Interact effortlessly with your lap screen, with your eyes. Curate your own sets of emojis to match your mood, to match your style, or even your outfit. Explore a new world of expression with Emoji Crush, a playful, interactive theme that responds to your every move. Shake it, tilt it, and watch it come to life. Expressive or elegant, give your phone that little extra edge. All this innovation is protected by next-level durability. The Huawei Pura 80 features the second generation Kunlun glass, now 20 times more resistant to drops. And to top it off, it is built to endure. With IP68 and IP69 water and dust resistance, it's ready for whatever life throws at you. Live on proud, thanks to the massive 5,170 milliamps of battery capacity. And get back in action in minutes with 66 watts wired and 50 watts wireless Huawei Supercharge. Now, let us witness that power in action. This is the Huawei Pura 80, where bold colors meets useful side, where power meets elegance, and innovation becomes part of our everyday life. Welcome to the new generation of Pura. Now, let me announce to you the price of Pura 80. So the price of Pura 80 is, are you excited about it?
Yes!
The price of our Pura 80, the Pura 80 is priced at 47,999 pesos. Wonderful! Apart from that, you may start pre-ordering by tomorrow and experience Huawei Pura 80. Thank you so much and have a nice evening.